My money's all gone. And the dress I made from that cheap Florigale cloth got torn. It's beyond repair. My fault. I got too excited. Cluck, Elise! Stop clucking! Or else I'll... I wonder if maybe I can pluck some of your Beerson feathers to sell for a blade.
Louise, are you all right?
Miss Nikki? Why are you here?
I became one of the Flamecrest Festival contestants.
I can tell. You're a very talented stylist just looking at you. Unlike me. Daddy gave me his precious recommendation spot, but
You messed up, right? Making mistakes is fine. You know what really matters?
Learning from my mistakes?
Not caring about anything. Just look at Nikki and me. Forced to leave home, running all over the place, and now standing here in front of you, lively as a...
I don't know about not caring about anything. But as long as it cheers you up, Louise.
Thank you. I'll keep my chin up just like you. No more tears. I'll work extra hard to earn some blings and see the generous Mr. Fieldy to buy cheap Florigale cloth. I'll mend the dress I made for the Flamecrest Festival styling contest.
Mr. Fieldy works for the dye workshop. Is that where he gets cheap Florigale cloth?
Not really. But Mr. Fieldy told me his products are genuinely from the dye workshop. And the reason for the low price was because they were imperfect leftovers. So I went to Tanyoyo to ask if he had any more remnants like that. But he told me they don't do things like that at the dye workshop.
There's something fishy about that guy. Trust me, I know fish. His name should be Fishy, not Fieldy.
I bet Fieldy is a fake name. I'm sure he's up to something. For all we know, he's probably selling knockoffs.
Did I buy counterfeit fabric? Dad says clothes and ability outfits were responsible for rebuilding our world after the gods left us. Why would anyone do that to clothes?
I wonder the same thing. Why do such heinous things to clothes and adorable critters? I don't know. I believe the most important thing is how we react.
Yes, the dress ripped because I used fake fabric, but I want to try again and make a genuine one. I won't give up. Unfortunately, I can't get any real Florigale cloth.
That's quite a pickle. Wait. I've got it!
Ooh, Nikki's got a bright idea.
It's possible. Trying out combinations of materials might get the same effect.
Oh, what a great idea! Miss Nikki, I've got it! Scarf forms and kerchief fish combined may become similar to Florigale cloth. I have plenty of scarf worms. All I need is one kerchief fish.
Good plan. How about I go get a kerchief fish?
Miss Nikki, did you get the kerchief fish? I have some new ideas for the design. By the time you collect all the materials, my new design sketch should be ready too. Wow, you're awesome, Miss Nikki. The materials will be just enough. I've had time to collect my thoughts and figure out a new design. Now, I'm all ready to remake the dress.
What a stunning dress!
And it was designed by a little kid.
I'm so grateful, Miss Nikki and Momo. Without your help, there's no way I could have remade this dress. To say thanks, I'll give you my design sketch. Please take it, Miss Nikki. It's the only way I can repay you for all you've done.
But, Louise, are you sure? Isn't this your dress for the Flamecrest Festival styling contest?
It's fine. My dad told me winning the styling contest doesn't hinge solely on the dress. Besides, this is just the start. I plan to step up my game and design other pieces. And all of them will match the dress perfectly. When the time comes, I'll have a whole set. But you'll only have the dress. So I'll definitely win.
That's what you're gonna do? Then, I happily accept your sketch.
Yay! Meeting you, Nikki, must be a sign from the Silvergale. The Silvergale statue at the Lakeheart Stone Tree really works wonders. When my dad comes back...
Huh? Louise, your dad isn't back yet? We need to ask him something.
Not yet, but pretty soon. Dad said he was making a stop at the Lakeheart Stone Tree to collect villagers' wishes. Well, I'll just stay put. I can see for miles up here. That way when my dad shows up, I'll be the first to know he's arrived. Then I can breathe easy, like a scarf worm snuggling back into its comforting home.
Makes sense. As for us, we'll go to the Lakeheart Stone Tree and wait for him.
Sure! The Lakeheart Stone Tree is in the center of the village pond. You probably saw it on your way here. It has a small Silvergale statue on top. While you're there exploring Stonewoods, be sure to make a wish. Here's a wishing item.
Looks different from the ones in Florawish.
Obviously. Our wish bottles look way prettier than theirs, right? Also, unlike the people in Florawish who hang their wishes up high, we prefer to place our wishes down low. It's our belief that down-to-earth wishes are more likely to come true.
I like that saying. Thank you, Louise. We're off to the Lakeheart Stone Tree. The Lakeheart Stone Tree.
Everyone's wishes are lying on the ground.
What?
Huh? It's moving. Huh? What is it?
They were sprites.
They took that strange orb away. Nikki, it looks like a Quick Wish bottle.
You're right. It's exactly like the one the Wish Envoy dropped in the river.
Would the orb from the Quick Wish bottle have that eerie dark color? What the heck is that? Huh?
The Feywish sprites took the wishing orbs, but they didn't take away this Quick Wish bottle. It's odd. There's definitely more to all this, and the unexplained coma cases we're investigating. I'm sorry, but I need to read the wish. May my daughter Louise embrace the honor and responsibility of being a stylist and always be happy. D'Artagnan. It's from D'Artagnan the Wish Collector.
That's bad. If he did use the Quick Wish bottle, he'll start hallucinating and eventually fall into a coma.
We have no idea where the Wish Collector is, what he's doing, or what dangers he might be facing. We need to report this to Mr. Spindle.
Hey, you're back. I heard that Tanyoyo signed off on your approval.
That's right. But something's happened. The Wish Collector's in danger. He could fall into a coma.
What's that now?
You see, I'm an investigator appointed by the Stylist Guild.
That explains everything. So not only Flora-Wish, but now Stoneville is getting pulled into it too. And now, the Quick Wish bottle. I have a really bad feeling about this. Maybe that bottle is connected to the artifact. If that's the case, this is very troubling.
The artifact? What's that?
Maybe it's best you don't know. The top priority right now is to bring D'Artagnan back here. He's in more danger than you even know.
Mr. Spindle? Where is the Wish Collector?
He went to the abandoned district to collect the PC's wishes. I don't know who'll be able to bring him back.
Abandoned district? What kind of place is that?
The abandoned district. It has stone trees that are dozens of times larger than the ones here, and unfathomable chasms dividing them. What's more, the residents there are PCs. They were born at the moment the Wishing One reincarnated as the Silvergale. They are his descendants. Burning our wishes together with the PCs symbolizes. And the Wish Collector is the one who maintains this bond. The PCs reside on the towering stone trees in the abandoned district. Only the best stylists, equipped with the floral gliding outfit, are able to navigate between these majestic stone trees. However, it's not enough to merely possess styling talent. Only stylists who embody integrity and courage are deemed worthy of being bestowed the special floral gliding outfit sketch.
Can I try?
Nikki, it sounds too risky.
I know. But as we speak, Mr. D'Artagnan is in a dire situation. If he lost consciousness while gliding, he might not survive. Louise has been waiting for her dad to come back. And if something were to happen to him...
Oh, no, I can't think about it. What do we do, Nikki?
Well, someone needs to bring him back. If nobody else can, then why not...
Nikki, it's really not your concern. I won't risk your life.
But all of this, it's all connected to my investigation. How is it that the Wish Collector is a victim? Is the Wish Envoy behind all this? Or is it the Prophet himself? What is the Prophet trying to accomplish? I think I might find the answers to all these questions on the way to bring D'Artagnan back.
Yeah, makes sense. Not to mention the Flamecrest Festival can't start without him.
So, Mr. Spindle, time is ticking.
The floral gliding outfit is the uniform of the official Wish Collector. However, I think desperate times call for desperate measures. On behalf of Stoneville, I entrust its treasured sun petal sheet to you, the honest and brave stylist, Nikki. Remember, the floral gliding outfit is closely linked to the Stonewoods landscape. Its abilities only work inside Stonewoods. Beyond the boundaries of Stoneville and the abandoned district, it's powerless. The next part, to attempt to acquire its design, is up to you. Then, once you've crafted the floral gliding outfit, look for a stone tree on the west side of the village and go there. Start practicing gliding. It's where the other Wish Collectors used to practice. When you're done practicing, find me at the Rockfall Valley Walkway. I will show you how to get into the abandoned district.
What's this? It's even shinier than barbecue! Today has been truly eye-opening.
Is barbecue the only thing you think about? You could have said, I don't know. It's just really shiny.